This studio exercise is an attempt by the Master of Planning first year students of School of Planning and Architecture, New Delhi, to prepare an outline development plan 2041 for Sagar and Macronia. Sagar city is headquarter of Sagar district, which is situated in the state of Madhya Pradesh. It is regarded as the heart of India. The history of the town of Sagar dates back to about 1660 AD, when Udan Shah, a descendant of Nihal Shah, built a small fort on the site of the present one and founded a village close to it called Parkota, which is now part of town. Sagar, also known as the Lake City, was founded by Govind Rao Pandit, trustee of Peshwa Baji Rao in 1660 AD. Due to its strategic location, it has also functioned as cantonment for East India Company. Sagar was notified as a municipal corporation in the year 1991 and has been selected as one of the Smart City for 100 Smart Cities mission. Sagar has also been recognized in the apex amongst the safest city of India in 2018 in Ease of Living Index. Sagar is well connected to a number of important urban centers in Madhya Pradesh by national highways such as National Highway 146, 44 and 934. It has its own railway station. Within the district, it is connected to prominent stations such as Bina, Khurai and Jerukheda. It is largest in the district, and within the state it is connected to the major cities of Madhya Pradesh such as Bhopal, Jabalpur and Indore. Sagar is one of the most important towns in the Bundelkhand region. Due to the geographic proximity and cultural similarities, it identifies itself with a rich cultural heritage of Bundeli customs, traditions and cultural norms. For all these reasons, Sagar is known as the gateway to Bundelkhand. The city of Sagar evolved around the Lakha Banjara Lake, which is located in the heart of the city and also serves as a major tourist attraction. There are 7 major ghats situated on Lakha Banjara Lake. Chakra Ghat, being the largest, is also used for melas during festivals. Hori, Sohar, Rai dance, Diwali dance are few of the performing arts performed during festivals in spaces which are open to sky and in direct contact with nature. There are many historic sites in and around Sagar. Some places of attraction are Rahatgarh Fort, Rajghat Dam, Khimlasa Fort, Gadpara Mountains and temples. The city is also surrounded by beautiful Vindhyan hills, adding to the tourism potential of Sagar. The initial growth of Sagar was towards the north and south of the lake. The cantonment area towards the northeast and Vindhyan hills in the southeast and southwest restricted the growth of the city in these directions. Macronia, which is situated 5 kilometers away from Sagar, over the period of time has emerged as a fast-growing urban settlement. It was one of the ward of Sagar city till the year 2011. But has been declared as a municipal council presently. Spatially separated by cantonment region, Macronia and Sagar are dependent functionally on each other. Sagar city also emerged as an educational hub after the establishment of Dr. Hari Singh Gaur University in the year 1949. The university is the first and the biggest university of Madhya Pradesh. It attracts students pan-India and offers courses over 24 disciplines. Apart from Hari Singh Gaur University, Sagar has a reputed government engineering college, Bundelkhand Medical College and Jawaharlal Nehru Police Training Institute. Macronia also has institutes of importance such as the police training schools and battalion grounds. Literacy rate of Sagar city is higher as compared to that of the district and Madhya Pradesh state. The city is also a hub for beedi making. It has many household industries which are involved in beedi making and agarbatti making. Katra market is the commercial center of the whole city and has many mandis selling vegetables and grains such as wheat and pulses. The approach adopted for formulation of outline development plan for Sagar and Macronia 2041 is done in a sectorial way. The sectors which would be studied for formulation of outline development plan are regional setting, demography and socio-economic, land use, industry, trade and commerce, housing, transportation, infrastructure, tourism and urban design, environment and governance.